Selce is all about enabling a transition to an energy system that's fit for the future, and reducing energy demand is very much part of that.
We are literally used by everyone you can possibly think of in the Borough of Lewisham and beyond. We're sort of round-the-clock businesses, so we do draw a massive amount of utilities, so any changes to make them more energy efficient and reduce our carbon footprint is obviously very important.
Both of us knew of community centres who had absolutely dreadful, old-fashioned, nasty, orange-coloured lighting and huge costs. And the one thing that Selce has is the ability to raise community finance. So moving through to LED retrofit was, a no-brainer for us.
Our LEDs programme is really looking at supporting community buildings to lower their energy bills and therefore lower their carbon emissions by switching to LED, and that's a more efficient form of light. The reason that we work specifically with community buildings is because really they get left behind. It's a really high upfront cost to switch to LEDs, which quite often they don't have. So if they are switching to LEDs, they're doing it year by year, bit by bit, but we can help out, get involved and switch them all in one go so they can get those savings straight away rather than spread out over the next 10 or 15 years. So the finance model we use for the LEDs projects is really where the interesting bit comes in. We work with community investors to run a share offer, and it's people from the local area who actually visit these places and use these venues that invest in our LEDs projects. That then means that we can spread the cost over 10 years at a very low rate of finance in comparison to what the site could access through a commercial provider. So the site uses essentially a pay-as-you-save model. They save money on their energy bills and then they pay Selce part of that over a period of 10 years. So there's no upfront cost for the site and they're making savings year on year.
So what motivated me to run for Selce is pretty much helping people, for those who are actually struggling. Going into the more renewable side, not only to helping me to learn more, but help others as well. And I like to help people and bring everyone together and live a life that we should be living in.
Yeah, happy? Anything else you want to add?
Join Selce.